So this is the 2-pack dual monitor set by Kado. And I got these primarily because I'm starting up trading, and since I'm getting started, I wanted a budget-friendly set. And these are 27 inches. I have it with a dual monitor setup where I can look at different things on both screens. You can see I have a movie on one side and I have a spreadsheet on the other to show the dual monitor functionality. I have my computer down here. I have my MacBook Pro down there, my mouse and my keyboard. So this is my setup right now, and so far so good. I love the size of the monitors. You see right here how big they are. This is 1, this is 2. Like I said, they're 27-inch. Really good resolution, honestly, for being budget friendly. I'm really happy with the resolution. They do play sound, but I wouldn't say it's high quality sound. For me, it gets the job done. I'm not big on, right now, that's not my need. Just to be able to hear is fine. And it does have more of a hollow, lower quality sound, but it works for me. I love the fact that, like I said, the resolution is good. It's 1920 by 1080. These are made for gaming. And like I said, they both have speakers. They both are built in with speakers. They're very easy to put together. It comes with this, I already have it put together, but let me show you what the back of this looks like. So all you have to do is this is the base. You just have to kind of attach the base. It's like 3 parts. You just push it. It's pretty much pushed together. No screws needed at all. Just attach this, slide it on, and then plug in the cord. So very easy to set up. And everything was just plug and play. So worked really well, and it was easy. I was up and going in no time. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to play this movie to see if you can hear the sound. I'm not sure if you can hear it well from the phone that I'm recording on, but just to give you an idea, turn up the volume. So I'm not sure if you're able to hear that, but it does have more of a hollow sound. So like I said, I didn't get it for the sound. I got it just basically for the functionality to have 2 monitors and large monitors so I can do my trading. So I'm really pleased with this monitor set so far. I've had this for about a month now, and if you're looking for a good dual monitor set that's budget friendly, I definitely recommend this set.